remember this? Let's try it with normal makeup. So I've still got the latex that I used in my last look in this little squeezy tube. Someone said I was supposed to mix a clear peel-off mask in with the latex. So I've done that this time. Hopefully it works, but let's find out together. Quick comment your predictions. Do you think it's going to turn out good or bad? Oh, I don't know if I've got that little like tip part that I put on last time. Hang on. I found it. Ooh. Okay, I can do this. Oh no. The lid wasn't secure and it's like bulging out. Clean up on aisle 2. Maybe I have to use it without the little skinny part. Oh, okay, that is way thicker. Alright. Ooh, careful. Why am I feeling nervous? Just going over these lines that I already did. Ooh, just to make them a bit thicker. And get through the brows, even though I'm probably gonna regret that. It's getting messy. It's getting messy. Oh. Oy. Ooh. Ignore the noises, guys. I feel like it just helps me with the process. I'll be very careful near the eye area because it burns. This reminds me of Mr. Doodle. Is he called Mr. Doodle? Do you know the artist that does like the doodle sketch style? Neaten up the mistake. No. Okay, we'll just leave them. My hands are getting tired and I need a refill. I'm gonna try one more time with the skinnier cap. Oh, okay. Here we go. Good girl, Sadie. Ooh, that smell. Let's go here. Yep. My eyes were watering so much. Don't drip. It's gonna be okay. Oh, excuse you. Oh, it stinks. Okay, we're nearly there, guys. I just got this little section left. I can do it. Finish this off. Oh, I think we might be done, guys. Now I need to just let it dry. Time to go over it with the makeup. I'm gonna do foundation first. Here we go. Oh, it looks scary. Concealer. Tap it on my under eyes. Ooh. Tap. Contour and blush. Hit these cheekbones. Blend. We're going pink. Let's go right there. Woohoo. Do I need to set this? I don't know if I need to set it. Right here. I don't know if this is a good idea or a bad idea. I'm going in with some powdered contour or bronzer. Some highlighter. Bling. Oh yeah. So I'm going to use a brow pen. Go over the latex and just kind of fill in the shape. Fill it in. Burgundy eyeshadow all over the lid. Like so. Blending it out with the pink. I'm going to go for a wing. There you go. Some lashes and then lips. These nice fluffy ones. Ooh, she party. Now for lips. Don't know how well this is going to turn out. Pink lipstick all over. Okay. It's all done. Now time to peel it off. Ooh, the most satisfying part. You ready, guys? Oh, that's not very impressive. Ow. You can kind of see the lines. Oh, the eyebrows. Ow. Oh. Okay, there we go. Near the eyes. Oh, okay. Ow. Okay. Oh, sensitive area. Oh yeah. Oh no. Ooh, ta-da. Hang on, let me fix my hair. I'll be right back. I'm back. I had to add some pink lights to go with the makeup. Kind of successful. I'm kind of 50-50 on it. I feel like I could have done better, but at the same time, I kind of like it. But be honest, what do you guys think? What would you rate it out of 10? Here's the squiggle residue. Ew. I guess it's time to wipe it off. It was fun while it lasted. I'm going to try this Super Facialist Cleansing Oil. Let's get the lashes off first. Oh, there we go. Lovely. Smells nice. Kind of like citrusy. Citrusy. On my hand. Oh, and slap it on. Yes. Get the eyes and the eyebrows. Makeup wipes. Skin Bare wipes. I don't usually use makeup wipes, but I've been loving these. They are nearly finished, but they've lasted me quite a while. Wipe it off. Ugh. Ew. On this side. Okay. One more wipe. Nice and clean. Okay. All done. Filter picks my avatar makeup. Let's do it. Come on, filter, please be pink. It's pink! Yes! We got the pink. We got the pink. Alright, I'm just getting straight into it. Pink all over. And blend. Ooh. Concealer. I'm gonna use this pastel pink cream stick and smack it right in the middle of the forehead. That should be alright. Time to blend. Patting it in. Patty. Oh, I could eat a patty right now. I'm gonna switch back over to the foundation brush side. Just go along the edges. Yeah, there we go. Blend it out. Contour time. Cheekbones. And here. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Crease and flick. It might take a while to blend, but I shall prevail. And the other side. Este. Very pink. Wait, I feel like I need to make the concealer areas a little bit lighter. And then we are gonna blend it out. I blend, you blend, everybody blend. I'm officially ready for powder. Pink powder. Since I'm doing a pink avatar. Come on, filter, please be pink. So far, so good. Just going in with a bit of white eyeshadow to brighten up some of the areas. Yeah. I'm just going in with pink eyeshadow and bringing it down the sides of the nose. I don't know if I like the eye area. I might have to come back to that. Let's do the lips. Ooh. Fluffier brush to blend it better. Just contouring the lips with more pink and a burgundy shade. Oh yes, now it's coming together. Burgundy shade on the inner corner here as well. There. Oh yeah. So I put some of that dark burgundy shade on the outer corner too. And then I'm just blending the edges out. I like it. Hit the like button if you agree. Burgundy shade to the end of the brows. White mascara to the front of the brows. The middle part with a light pink. Yeah, that's better. Time for the lines. Oh. Okay, not too bad. Then we're going here. Yeah, honey. The middle bit kind of looks like a love heart. Adorable. A bit of shape to my lines. It's a bit messy, love. I don't like it. Darken them up a little bit. I look like a pink cat. Meow. Body time. Body time. Blend. Quick. Set it with powder. Add in the highlight and shading. We're making progress. Right, let me get these body lines on. Here. Oh, okay, maybe not. There we go. And over yasso. Blend the lines. Dot time! White face paint. Dotting them on. The bigger ones and smaller ones. It's like little stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, it's looking cute. More paint. Oh, that is a lot of dots. I just get carried away. On me pinky. Yes. Oh, that was easy. I'm not sure if the red is too overpowering. Beautiful! Pink highlighter. Let's hit the collarbones. Let's put a bit across the nose. Bling. Do a bit on. Ooh! That was a lot. Kind of like it though. Lashes. White or black? Ooh. I kind of want to go with the black ones just because they have the pink on the other side, even though you can't really see the pink. Look, can you see the pink? Wig time. Ooh. Get that off. I don't have a bobble. I can do with that. Bit too small for my big head. My girl, tuck in your edges. So I've got 3 pink options. Which way is this supposed to go? This one's definitely a no. Next we got Curly Sue. I'm not really feeling it. Next! I think this is the front. A bit better. Let me go add a few finishing touches. I'll be right back. Ta-da! I'm back. I really like it. It's so nice. Maybe this one can be like the love avatar. I'm sad that I haven't got my avatar teeth. I need to make some new ones. I tried to put some darker pink coloured streaks in the wig. I put these cute little butterfly clips all over the wig to accessorize. But I really like how it turned out. But be honest, what do you guys think? Is it cute or a fail? For everyone that commented pink, I hope I made you proud. Blueberry cow makeup. Let's do it. Got me blueberries. I know so many of you guys have been asking me to do blueberry cow for so long. So I'm sorry it's taken me a while. I'm sorry, okay? I'm going in with my Meron cream paint stick first. All over. Actually, I want to use a bit of this blue one as well. Maybe just like on the areas that I'm gonna contour. Let me just start blending this all out. I've never drawn a blueberry, so hopefully that part isn't too hard. I look crazy and scary. Blend out the blue. Baloo. Comment a blue heart emoji if you're one of the people that have been asking me to do blueberry cow. Ooh, itchy nose. I don't have a white powder, but I've got this one and it says translucent, so let's try it. It's got a bit of a tint, but hopefully it will be fine. Going in with some light blue eyeshadow. Why does that kind of look like teal on camera? Tap on to the areas that I want to contour. Dark blue eyeshadow, just a little bit. Oh, careful, careful. I know they're called blueberries, but I feel like they kind of have like a purple tint to them now. So I'm going to add a little bit of purple. I don't know if this is a bad idea. Tap it on lightly. Why am I whispering? It's kind of going patchy. No. And I want to kind of put it on random places. Okay. I just look like I've got bruises. To the nose, like so. Blue on the nose as well. Ooh, I feel like these colours look cute together. And on the mouth. And I'm going to contour the lips right here as well. Dark blue on the inner corner. Down. Light blue right next to that dark blue. We need shimmer! Bit of diamonds on the eyes. Oh, I'm ruining it. No! Alright, I fixed it. I'm just tapping a bit of highlighter instead. Can you see it? Shiny. A bit more blue to the outer corner. Let's move on to the blueberry. I'm going in with some face paint. I'm going to use the lid of this moisturizer to create like the perfect circle. Add some paint and stamp it on my face. Whew, okay, no pressure. Wait, I'm not ready. Ooh! Here. Okay, we're going for it. Press it on, wiggle it. Okay. Blue face paint. Add a bit of highlight, blending it into that dark blue. Really dark blue eyeshadow all along the bottom of the blueberry. Oh, it's coming together. It's going to go. White patch right here. Blend it out a bit. Circular kind of shape. Ooh. Dab in some random lines on it to make it look a bit more textured or spiky. I don't know. A bit of white highlights down here too. Ooh. 3 blueberries right here as well. Just adding the little highlight and shading details. Cute! Now let's do some cow patches. Here. Here. I kind of like how it looks like this. Start filling them in. All the cow patches are filled in. Now I'm going to outline them with dark blue. Maybe I should turn this one into a little blueberry as well. Yeah, let's do that. Come on, blend. I don't know if I did too many spots. Cross shape. Doing like a circle in between. There we go. X shape. I don't know if it's just my brain, but why are they starting to look just like blue tomatoes? Tomato. We're adjusting the shape of this patch. And I just used water to kind of melt away the face paint. Ah, I know why it's looking more like a tomato. I think it's because I'm doing this too close to the top rather than more near the middle. Hit the like button if you think it's going to look good in the end. A light blue eyeliner to my waterline. Oh my gosh, how am I forgetting the eyebrow? Blue eyeshadow. Tap, 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 tap. Flicking some white paint lines. Let's move on. Body time. White all over the body. And blend. Set it. To steady in place. Blue fuzzy shading. Tint of pastel purple. Alright, let's do the cow patches. Here. Looking good. Highlighter time. The collarbones. The lips. Contact lenses. Oh, okay, that was easy. Lashes. Right here. Oh. Okay, blue lashes right on top. Oh, what do you guys think? I think I like it. Do I like it? I prefer it on just this eye. I'm gonna try these ones, but the blue's not very popping on them, so I see a little bit of like a blue tint. Wig time! Okay, I got a few wig options. Let me show you. Tuck in the edges. This is a selection. I don't think I'm feeling this one. This is a good option, I think. Hang on. I could add some like dark blue streaks in there. What are we thinking, guys? I'm gonna go and try and make a decision and add some finishing touches. So who's ready to see the end result? Ta-da! I'm back. I ended up finding this white wig and adding some of the blue strips of hair to it. It's kind of reminded me of Christina Aguilera. But now that it's all finished, I'm not sure if I like it. Hang on. Yeah, I think this is the better choice. I love it. Be honest, what do you guys think? How did I do? I'm pretty proud of all my little blueberry drawings. Comment a blueberry emoji if you made it to the end of the video. And you might as well follow me if you haven't already. Now time to go and do the removal.